Okay, let's record a method of doing this. We're going to select the route tool, come over, did I get it? Select the route tool, there we go. And then we're going to click where we want to start. Sometimes zooming in will get you right where you want to be. Make sure you click on the trail to establish a point. Then as you drag your pointer out, you'll see that it starts to draw a line. And if you put your pointer on the trail, it will drop it on the trail. I'm going to put a point right here at Kramer Lake. Then I'm going to move over to the intersection of the PCT with this trail right near Bush Lake. And then we'll move over, put another point down here at Sand Lake. See if it follows on the trail. There we go. And then we'll move down here to our last spot, which is down near Leech Lake. And so we'll zoom in on it so we can see exactly where the trail crosses the road, and we'll click right there, and let's see, will it follow the trail? Yeah, it does. And so there's our answer, and I've got, in this case, a distance about 10.9 miles. It seems to vary a little bit each time. One thing that's also interesting is here's what your elevation profile looks like. So you can see it gives you the distance you're traveling and the elevation gains and losses as you work your way through. And if we zoom back on the map, you'll see that it also puts a cursor on the map when you do that. So if we're at our spot right here, you can see the little green dot, or I guess in this case big green dot, moving along the trail. And so we can see the high point of our trail is right there. And then from that point, it's downhill all the way back to the pass. Anyway, this is on Gaia. Pretty fun way to do it. Aspect of this is the ability to see where avalanche slopes might be. So if we go to our layers, and then underneath layers you'll see one's called slope angle. If you click that one on there, it puts on there the slopes depending on how steep they are. Of course, the more red they are, the steep they are. And here, if we look underneath, I guess we just click on slope angle. I did that without saying what I was doing. If we look down here, it tells you what the angles are. And so you can see in avalanche concerns, it's orange, red, orange, dark orange, and red are the really problems, and purple again. And then after that, the snow sloughs off, and it's not as much of an avalanche problem. But you can see on this ski trip here, there isn't really any place that is a concern for avalanche along the whole route. The only place that gets even close to it is this little spot right in here. And if we zoom in, you can see we're snaking between avalanche spots. So anyway, I just thought that was an interesting addition you can do with Gaia. And you can also do it on Kaltoku too. It'll let you do this, adding the steepness of the slope.